Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily disable Google Maps Siri Suggestions on your iPhone or iPad device. So first we need to go into the Settings tab, and then we have to straightforward go to the apps at the bottom of our screen. Here we have to find the G letter, which will be over here, and we have to enter our application, which is called Google Maps. Here we have to enter the Apple Intelligence and Siri. For the older versions we just have to enter Siri, and as you can see here we do have the learn from this app, show on home screen, suggest app, and suggest notifications. We can disable show on home screen, suggest app, and suggest notifications. Of course it's up to you what you disable, but as for the only suggestions on the home screen, disable show on home screen. As for the application suggestions, when you want to turn on these applications, leave this one, and here on the suggest notifications you can disable it too, and you can disable learn from this application too. And it's up to you actually. That's it, hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.